Today, in this session, I'll be discussing some very important questions which you will understand with me and you will be able to solve such questions really fluently. So we will begin over here, and before we begin, a very important message for you that if we have to fight COVID-19, we have to stay at home and maintain social distancing. With this thing in our mind, let's begin today's session. I have already noted down one question for you. I will read out the question which says, divide rupees 1545 between people A, B, C such that A gets 3/5 of B. Means whatever B is getting, A is getting 3/5 of that. And the ratio of the share of B and C is 6:11. This much information is provided to us and we have to divide 1545 among these three. So let's first of all write over here, let B's share is equal to 6x. You know, we write it in terms of x. Then let C's share is equal to 11x. Now coming to A's share. What is A's share, children? A's share is 3/5 of B. And B is how much? 6x. Which will give you 18x upon 5. Now we have A's, B's and C's share, and these total should be equal to 1545. So I write over here ATQ, that is according to question, 18x upon 5 plus 6x plus 11x is equal to 1545. Let's take 5 as the LCM over here. I get 18x, alright, plus 30x plus 55x is equal to 1545. When I add these three, I get 103x upon 105 is equal to 1545. Which gives me, I continue on this side, it gives me 103x is equal to 1545. Okay, this is not 105. This is only 5 here. Into 5. So I get x is equal to 1545 into 5 upon 103. If I go on to divide this, I know 103 is a prime number and I see over here 1s are and here I get 15s are. So I get x is equal to 75. Once we get x is equal to 75, now we can record A's share, B's share as well as C's share. That is 3. What is A's share? If I say 18 into x upon 5. So it gives me 18 into 75 upon 5. Which gives me 18 into 15 and it's equal to rupees 270. Then coming to B's share, what is B's share? Is equal to 6x, which gives me 6 into 75. Okay, now 6 into 75 is equal to rupees 450. And the last one, C's share is equal to 11x, which gives me 11 into 75, which is equal to 750 plus 50, 825. So this is equal to 825. This is how I get the three shares which have been asked. You can have a look at this question, understand what is done. Then I'll be taking up one more question. The next question which I'm taking up over here is, till then let me read the question to you, and it is The question goes like, the ratio of the expenditure to saving of the family is 7:3. If you have a look at this and this is clear to you, then can we continue with the further with questions? Okay, so let me clear this and we will move on to the second question in this session. And the question says that the ratio of the expenditure to saving. Now before I begin with this question, the meaning of expenditure should be clear to you. If I speak of this word and I tell you the Hindi meaning of expenditure, expenditure means kharcha. Whatever we spend is called expenditure. And whatever we save, जो हम बचाते हैं उसको saving कहते हैं. So here in this question it is saying that the ratio of expenditure, which I am writing in short form, to ratio of expenditure to saving is equal to 7:3. Now they are asking find the income. We have to find the income if the expenditure is equal to rupees 6300. Now first of all, what will the income going to be? जो हमने बचाया and whatever we spend, that must be my total income, because from my income I am spending also and saving also. So the total of income and expenditure will be equal to, the total of expenditure and saving will be equal to the income. Now if I 3 is equal to expenditure, in the numerator I have expenditure, so here I will write 6300 upon saving. Okay. Now from here I am going to find the saving. S is equal to 6300 into 3. 7 9 63 is equal to rupees 2700. Once I get the saving, I have the expenditure, I can find out the income. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving is equal to 6300 plus 2700 equals rupees 9000. So this is the answer over here, rupees 9000. If this is clear to you, you can give me a thumbs up, you can give me a comment. You have understood. If you want to clarify something, you can ask that also. If you are liking the explanation, please do like the recording. Ratio of present age of P and Q is equal to how much? 3:4. If Q's present age, we have to find the ratio after 5 years. What we have to find ratio of P to Q after 5 years. Question as well. So first of all, I have P upon Q is equal to 3 is equal to, write P over there. Now I get 20 into 3 upon 4 is equal to P. I get P's present age is equal to 15. I have the present age of P also and the present age of Q also. But I have to find the ratio of P and Q after 5 years. So we are going to find after 5 years P's age, as well as we are going to find out Q's age. Okay, P's age and Q's age. Now what is P's age after 5 years? 15 ka hai. After 5 years, 5 will be added to it. So P will become 20 years old. Q is currently 20. 5 will be added to his age as well and he will become 25 years old. So P ratio Q after 5 years will be 20 upon 25, which will be equal to 4 ratio 5. Isn't it interesting? And it has become so easy also. So if you like it, do like the video. Let's move on into the next question. Alright, again, let me take it. The ratio of the sides of triangle is equal to 1 upon 3. Now, let the sides be x upon 3, x upon 4 and x upon 5. And the perimeter of the triangle is given to me. And how much is the perimeter given over here? It's 94 centimeter. According to the question, x upon 3 plus x upon 4 plus x upon 5 is equal to 94 centimeter. We will have to take the LCM of this, and LCM will be 60. Okay, 20x plus 15x plus 12x is equal to 94. If I add all this, I get 47x upon 60 is equal to 94. X is equal to 94 into 60 upon 47. 47 ones are 2s are is equal to 120. I get x as 120. I have to find the length of the smallest side. Length of smallest side. Now if I see over here, these are unit fractions, and in unit fraction, the fraction with the largest denominator is the smallest. If you have doubt in this, you can refer to my video on fractions. It has been explained over there how fractions, we have greater than, arranging the fractions in ascending order and descending order as well. So length of the smallest side will be 1 upon 5 of x is equal to 1 upon 5 of 120, which is equal to 24 centimeter. So here we get the answer as 24 centimeter. Alright children. Now we'll move on to the fifth question for today. All different type of questions. So you have an idea of how different type of questions can be solved. You get a good approach in solving these questions. Alright. So here I have one more question. Again of entirely different type. In the question it is given. So it's a A is equal to 5B. If I bring this B down here and I take that 3 down here, I will get A upon B is equal to 5 upon 3. Then from here, 4B is equal to 6C. If I bring this 6 down here and 4 down there, I will get B upon C is equal to 6 upon 4. Right? B into B upon C, which will be equal to A upon C. Therefore, 5 upon